Hi, I'm Michelle. I make amusing automatons. Say hello to my feathered friend, Frederick, the fancy. As soon as I was done with the last video, the wing fell off. And now I have to remake the connector because I made it a little bit too thin, so I made it thicker. Look at that! It works. Yeah. I also put some of these little connector buddies into it for the first time. Maybe it'll work, let's see. I put one in and it is so hard to move. Like if I just picked it up, the whole thing would move. You can kind of move them, but it's not wiggly enough. So I'm going to redo those. A little bit looser. Ha! But it does look like the bird flaps. Look at all that room. I've made an X-wing. Well, I guess I'll have to make the other rod down the middle and make some sort of connector in there so it'll work and connect to it. Ooh, that's a string. I see a string. It's not my hair. It's a string. Oh yeah, and look at the wing here. It's so smooth. It didn't stick to the bed at all, and then it like warped up, it looks like. I gotta figure out what's up with my bed. I tried washing it with soap and water and wiping it off, and that didn't seem to work. It looks the same. I don't know. I'll probably try some more isopropyl alcohol. That's what I've been doing, but I don't know if that's gonna be enough. It sucks, because I like my bed. Maybe I'll try the other side. Until next time. Wow!